goalkeeper of the three named in the squad who actually has a cap to his name, Davis, and he has only one of those before tonight. Now, regular keeper Andre Blake of the Philadelphia Union, unavailable through injury. The referee will step in here and award the free kick in Kasey Palmer's favour. He was in for. So it's whipped in and dealt with initially. The presence of Hull City. And a bit of time to think about this one. Palmer was close. He was very close. The reaction will tell you that. Still looking for his first goal for his country. It's cap number 14 for Kasey Palmer tonight. He certainly sensed this chance here. He was very nearly able to take it despite that considerable wall. Side netting only. He was all smiles at the pre-match press conference yesterday, was Steve McLaren. Taking Jamaica back to England to play an international here was something he said he dreamed of doing when he took the job last summer, and feels that the experience will benefit his players and his staff as well. A couple of occasions they've threatened to get in behind in these opening exchanges, Jamaica. Cool for Kasey Palmer. He's the one that is going to step up and take it, and scores coolly with a Panenka penalty from Palmer to score his first goal in Jamaican colours. Player who learns his trade not far from here with Chelsea has scored for Jamaica from the spot in really cool, confident fashion. Takes a bit of nerve to do that, but I guess this is the sort of occasion where... And here comes Jamaica in search of more, maybe. Cephas again, it's threaded into his path. And it was a dangerous ball across goal that Burrell couldn't quite reach. He put himself in a useful spot to try and do... Peters to present possession back to Kaheen Dixon. Next, Lembakisa is the right back who's going to take the throw. Spent the season with Barnsley on loan from Wolverhampton Wanderers. Lovely little turn that from Dixon. Dixon's delivery, important touch before it came for Cephas. It is now Kasey Palmer in possession, and he's picked the pass for Dixon to drive it goalwards. Philip gets down to make the stop. Went back by Lembakisa. Up here, Burrell again, played in, big save by Philip. Cephas. And still, and he couldn't quite take it out from under his feet to get his shot away. Chances coming quickly for Jamaica to try and extend their lead before the interval. They are looking a real threat just at the moment. Palmer looking to pick his way through again. Neatly done by Russell here. That was a lovely touch. The options either side. As a result, Davis was calling for it. He was looking for Burrell instead. Palmer, and again for Kasey Palmer. I'm surprised to see so many of the English-based players starting for Jamaica, particularly given how their domestic season only finished on Friday. McLaren talking about the jet lag involved that some of his players are really experiencing for the first time. And it hadn't quite reached Kasey Palmer. Touch in there for Bell, now Cephas. Back towards Palmer, and again, and he does get his shot away, and there's the improvised... Trimmed back to one. Wonderful entertainment which continues here. Jamaica take their turn. Well through the middle. Here's Palmer, slips it through again. Lovely ball, opens up again. And, well, that's a crucial challenge from Jelani Peters. Shuts the door just in time on John Russell. The game really has opened up yet further in the second half.